horrible weather we are having. Aren't we, darling?
Oh, yes, my darling.
And it is very cold as well.
Yes, it is really cold.
Arthur, do you have to agree with everything I say?
Yes, I do, darling.
Oh, Arthur, you are hopeless. Do you think I am an idiot?
Yes, I do, darling.
Arthur, you are not listening to me.
No, I'm not, darling.
I'm really fed up. One of these days, I will ask for the divorce.
As you wish, darling.
You have to know that I am still a very sexy woman.
I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love, come to
I can see the looks of desire in some men's eyes every time I go to the club. You must have noticed it, haven't you, darling?
Margaret, they are only shot at your horrible dresses. That is what I notice.
Your problem is that you are envious because I am still young and sexy.
Yes, you are, darling.
Sebastian! Sebastian, come here, Sebastian!
Yes, David.
Sebastian, there is somebody at the door. Go and see who it is. But remember that we are not at home.
Good afternoon. What can I do?
Good afternoon. My name is Alexandra Bottins, and this is my son Andrew. And we should like to speak with Lord and Lady Linton, please.
Oh, what a pity. They have just told me they are not home.
Oh, I see. And do you think they are going to be long?
I don't know. Wait a minute. I will ask them.
What's the matter, Sebastian?
The lady wants to know if you are going to be long, madam.
Okay. Tell her that we are fishing in Scotland and we will come back next month.
She says they are still fishing in Scotland and they will come back in a month.
Oh, I see. Could you tell her that Mrs. Bottins, the manager of Midlands Bank, is here to make them win a lot of money?
Of course, madam. I will tell her right now.
What's the matter now, Sebastian?
The lady says she has come to make you win a lot of money.
Oh, that sounds great. Tell them to come in, Sebastian. Quick, quick.
But you are still fishing in Scotland, see?
Don't give any excuse, Sebastian. Don't stand there. We haven't got all day. Go, go.
What say then?
Well, they have asked me to give you an excuse, and they have invented a very good one. Casually, they have just come from Scotland and are waiting for you in the living room. Isn't it fantastic?
Yes. Come on, son, follow me.
Mrs. Bottins, what a great honor!
Mrs. Bottins?
Lord Newton, Lady Newton, let me introduce to you my son Andrew. Andrew, say hello to Lord and Lady Newton.
Hello! I'm Andrew. I'm 50 years old. I live in Chelsea. And I like swimming and dancing.
That's enough, Andrew. Okay.
And I like fishing and singing. Oh, sole mio!
That's enough, Andrew.
And I have a horse.
Andrew, shut up!
Tell me, Mrs. Bottins, what is the reason for your visit?
Well, Lord Newton, I'll be honest with you. We are very busy people and don't have time much. I've come to ask for your daughter's hand.
Oh,
But you are too old for my daughter.
Oh, no. Lady, I was thinking about my son Andrew.
Yes. I want to get married.
Shut up, Andrew.
that's a great idea, Mrs. Bottins. Casually, my daughter Rebecca is available at the moment, but I must see that she's a bit special.
It doesn't matter, Lady Newton. I don't remind you to advantages of getting married to my son Andrew.
Advantages? What advantages?
Well, Lady Newton, as you probably know, I am the wealthiest woman in England.
Oh, are you really?
Yes.
And
And I am to give the young couple my mansion in Kent, rolls, a lot of money, gold, horses.
Mommy! The horses, no! The horses, no!
Do you want to shut your mouth, Andrew?
No!
well, very honored, Mrs. Bottins, but I don't know what to offer apart from my naive and sensitive daughter.
That is the question, Lord Newton. I don't want anything.
Oh, I'm afraid I don't understand what you mean, Mrs. Bottins.
Well, in fact, it's not totally true. I would like to be a member of your family because you have important connections with Buckingham Palace, and that could be a really good advantage for my business.
Oh, now I understand. Oh, please, sit down, Mrs. Bottins. Would you like a tea?
Yes, and biscuit and toast.
Sit down, Andrew. Sebastian, come here.
Yes, me, lady.
Sebastian, bring us some tea, please.
Of course, me, lady.
And biscuit and toast.
Sit down.
Well, Mrs. Bottins. Let me introduce you to my daughter Rebecca. I think she is in her room. Rebecca, where are you, darling? Come to the living room, please. Rebecca?
What's the matter, Mom?
Who are all these people? Rebecca, come here. Let me introduce you to Mrs. Bottins and her son Andrew.
Hi.
Hello. I'm Andrew. I'm going to be your husband!
What's the matter with this guy? Is he an idiot or what?
Rebecca, love, Mrs. Bottins has come to ask for your hand. Isn't it fantastic?
What? Married? I never got that married with that geezer. Forget about it.
Yes. I want to get married, go on a honeymoon, have a lot of children!
Sit down.
This guy is stupid. Never in my life I will marry to such an idiot. Are you kidding?
very, very generous. You accept her son.
Generous? How much generous?
Very generous, darling. Money, mansions, rolls, gold, horses.
No, mommy, no. Mommy, no. Sarah, no. Mommy, no.
What is darling? You.
Oh, here our dear lass.
Tell me, Sebastian, how old are you?
90, madam.
90? And how long have you been working here?
70, madam.
70? Shouldn't you be retired?
Well, Sebastian, that's okay. You can go now, thanks.
Retire? I don't know what's that, madam.
Sebastian, don't bother these people. Go.
Retired? You must have a salary then.
Salary? I don't know what you mean. I don't have any salary.
Sebastian, go to the kitchen and repeat it. Go.
As you wish, sir.
Mommy, may I eat a biscuit, please?
What's the matter with this guy? Is he an idiot or what?
Rebecca! Yes, darling, take. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Well, Mrs. Bobbins, what were you thinking about?
Well, as I was saying.
Oh, who can't be now? Sebastian, open the door, please.
Hello. What can I do for you?
Good morning! I'm the plumber. I'm sorry, I'm late. Where is the problem?
Yeah, good morning, yes. Follow me. This way, please.
Sebastian, who is this gentleman?
I'm the plumber, madam. Tell me, where is the problem?
Okay. Follow me to the bathroom, please.
Hi!
Rebecca! Rebecca!
Hi! What are you doing here?
Becky, what are you doing here?
My husband. I live here, stupid.
I've come to fix the shower, but you told me you live in the East End.
Well,
Rebecca, who is this gentleman? Can you give us an explanation?
I've never seen this man before, Mom.
Rebecca, you are my girlfriend.
No. She's my girlfriend, she's going to marry me.
Shut up! Stop! Hey!
Who is this guy? What is he saying?
Well,
I don't understand anything. What is happening here?
What's the matter, mommy? What's the matter?
Rebecca, darling, who is this gentleman?
Is my girlfriend. I'm the father of her son.
Oh, son! What son?
Our son and your grandson. Let me kiss you.
What is he talking about?
Maria, darling.
Well, that's not totally true.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Becky!
Can anybody explain what is happening here?
Mommy, what is happening here?
I don't know, shut up.
Becky!
No?
Becky is pregnant!
Well, I'm a little bit pregnant, but I can't do anything, I promise.
Well, this changes everything. It's a pity, but we have to go. And
No, Mommy, I want to get married.
shut up and let's
Wait a
go.
minute, Mrs. Martin. Sure we can reach an agreement.
Yes, Anita.
Shut up and
She can get married. She loves me, don't you, Becky?
well, in fact, there could be a solution. But no, I don't think it would work.
What do you mean, Mrs. Bottins?
What's that, Mrs. Watkins?
This is your will.
Our will? We don't understand, Mrs. Watkins.
It's very easy. In this document, you give me all your properties if there is a marriage. And you lose them if there is not.
Oh, what? I'm afraid I don't understand. Let me see that. Oh, I can read anything. The letters are too small.
It doesn't matter, Lady. The most important thing is that our children get married. We can solve that later.
One moment. I have something to say.
You don't have to say anything, so shut up, Mike.
But
Are you going to say or no? I don't have all day. Give me the will. I have to go.
No, Mommy, no. I want to get married. I've got a lot of children going up.
Okay, let's get married. Come on, there is no time to waste.
Oh, look at that. What a tender vision. Woo.
Okay. We sign.
Congratulations. You have paid.
one moment. What happens with my son?
Mike, go and fish the shower. Come on.
Congratulations. You have made the right decision. Now you can move when you want.
Move? I don't understand, Mrs. Watkins.
Yes, it's very easy. In this document, you give me this house as a guarantee for the marriage. But don't worry, you can stay here for a couple of days.
What? Do you mean that we have lost this house?
Yes, but don't worry, I think the young couple. Now I have to go home. Darling, you can stay here for a couple of days. After all, this is your house.
But what shall we do now, Mrs. Watkins?
Ah, that's not my problem. Bye-bye.
Let me show you the door, dear mother-in-law.
Oh my God. This can be happening to me. We don't have a penny now. We are rich.
I don't want to be poor. Bankers! They are vampires.
I'm going to pack my suitcase. See you later.
Oh, my house! Oh, my cars! Oh, my horses! Oh, my God!
The lady! I know what a salary is. And I want a salary and an insurance, a holiday. Me lady. What's the matter, me lady?
And see the